Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Camry key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. This key will help you access the battery compartment. Now, use a small, flat tool or your fingernail to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the battery. Take a moment to note which way the battery is facing, usually with the positive side up. This will ensure you install the new one correctly. Now, using a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, gently pry the old battery out of its slot. It should pop out with minimal effort. Now it's time to install your new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Then, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together until they are fully closed. After reassembling your key fob, it's important to test it out. Go to your Toyota Camry and try locking and unlocking the doors, as well as using the trunk release and panic button. Ensure all functions are working properly. If everything is good, you've successfully replaced your key battery. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.